Right, we finished the first little layer of slurry. So once this is dry, we'll be back to do a second thorough layer. Okay, so we are busy grouting now, but you can hardly see the difference between the two lines. You can see there's the grouting. We're still busy putting some grouting in, but as I said, you can hardly see any difference. Alright, so here's the bathroom that we did, the shower that we did. You cannot notice, unless you really look, you won't notice that we redid it. So here's the line of the where the new tiles go versus the old tiles, and there, you can't see it all on the camera, but up there is the other line that we did. So everything is perfectly sealed and redone. Right, here's the final result of this area back here. So you can see we've redone it all really nicely. It's all cleaned, it's all good, it's all sealed. So there we go with that. And again, just the countertops completely redone and sealed and siliconed and all of that. So everything's nice and clean. These